Welcome back to another episode of Los Picklelabs. How does a router run? Well, we have our example network here, and we've kind of expanded a little bit. Before we had just one network, 192.168.10/24. Previously, we had just one network with one switch. Now we have two networks with two switches. Both those switches are connected to a router, and that router is connected to the internet. So, how does a router know where to send the different information from one IP to another? Routers have this thing called a routing table. Imagine a giant Excel spreadsheet where the router keeps track of which IPs go through which interfaces. So, we have our network here, and then we also have the console of our router pulled up. Remember, your routing table is just a long Excel document or spreadsheet. It just keeps track of which networks go out of which interfaces. For instance, right here, it shows us that 192.168.10 goes out of 192.168.11. That goes out of interface 0 because that's what's connected to network 192.168.11. It then tells us 192.168.20 is connected to 192.168.21. That's interface 2. Right here. And then it also shows us that our default route, so most routers have a default route that points to the internet, goes out the Vice Ethernet one, which is right here, which goes out to our cloud internet gateway. So basically, your router is another computer that connects to your switches that keeps track of which networks go where.